Hey YouTube, what's up? She-Hulk here, and no, I don't look my best right now, but I wanted to kind of talk about the Pendleton floods that are happening, or the Eastern Oregonian. It's getting pretty bad. I live in the downtown area, and we're getting pretty hit hard. I live right next to the river. Just got an update a little bit ago saying how a sewer pipe broke and is now in our water, so we can't shower, we can't wash our hands, we can't drink it, nothing. It really sucks. The water's getting very high, it's rushing. I'll show you guys little clips later. Stressing us out. People are getting evacuated. Riverside, like, it's pretty much all evacuated besides, like, the very far side. A bunch of people are losing their homes. It's pretty crazy. I live up on a tiny bit of a hill, so I don't think I will be affected as much. Like, I won't get flooded, because I live up on a kind of like a hill. But it's still pretty dang scary considering all the people. I know a lot of people in this town that are getting really affected by it, and they've had to shut down bridges, and that affects my way to get to work. It's very difficult. So I'm playing you guys some clips right now. It's only a little high. It's literally going like this.
Yeah, you see that big one that goes like that?
Yeah, that's the bridge, and that's the highest point. Welcome to Pendleton, Oregon.
Yeah, I see you got that new Mercedes.
Welcome to Pendleton, Oregon. Pray for Pendleton. Hopefully it gets better in the next couple of days, but it's supposed to rain tonight, so I hope it doesn't. First time I ever hope it doesn't rain. She-Hulk out.